Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 2753, the file is not marked for installation on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, we need to re-register a certain DLL and I have a script for you. It's very easy. All you need to do is search for command prompt, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste this here and hit enter. It says it has been successfully re-registered. This should fix the problem, but if it does not, search for UAC in the Windows search bar. Click on UAC. Now it must be at the fourth or third or fourth option. Pull it down to the absolute bottom and click on OK. The last solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup. Click on OK. And then you can check all the boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.